How to draw and send Doodle in Instagram. Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw and send doodles right inside your Instagram chats. Yep, Instagram now lets you sketch and send fun drawings directly in DMs. It's a cool new feature that makes chatting way more personal and creative. So let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Instagram app is fully updated. This feature only works on the mobile app, not on the web version. Now, open Instagram on your phone and head to the chat where you want to send your doodle. Down at the bottom of the chat, tap the plus icon. From there, you'll see a brand new option called Draw. Go ahead and tap it. This will open up the doodle screen. Here's how everything works. At the bottom, you'll see all your color options. That's where you can pick the perfect color for your doodle. On the left side, there's a slider that lets you adjust your brush size, make it thick or thin depending on your style. And at the top, you'll find different brush types to play around with. Now, for the fun part, pick your favorite brush, choose a color, adjust the size, and start drawing. Once you're happy with your doodle, just tap Send, and your masterpiece will go straight to your friend's inbox. If you change your mind and want to delete your drawing, just press and hold on it, then tap Unsend. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to draw and send doodles in your Instagram chats. A fun, creative way to make your messages stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tips and Instagram tricks.